Local news for Friday the 30th of August. Ballpark costs for the Masterton Town Hall have been released. Chief Executive Kath Ross says the future of Masterton's Town Hall is one of the most talked about matters in Masterton. It's a complex project with numerous options and cost benefits with each option. For example, the facade is actually part of the adjoining office building, not the Town Hall, and is not original. If the community wants this facade retained, there are additional costs involved. A successful night at the Brazilian Colour Awards and fashion show saw Palliser Estate win their category, the Total Colour Neutrals Award. And whilst they didn't win, NZR Real Estate Wairarapa it was a finalist in the small rural office at the 2019 REANZ Awards for Excellence. 4 high schools will be competing today at UCOL Wairarapa's training kitchen in the secondary school's hospitality competition. It's the second year the competition has been held at Wairarapa UCOL and will see Makaurau, Tararua, Kiranui and Wainuiomata all take part. And in sport, the Farriers Wairarapa Bush will take it to Dunedin tonight and aim to make it 2 from 2 as they take on North Otago at Forsyth Bar Stadium. The added bonus of the game also being shown on Sky with coverage from 5 p.m. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gear.